Hello there, it's Jeremy from Destination Timeshare. We are getting ready to check into our unit here at Marriott Oceana Palms here in, I guess, Singer Island, Florida. We are in 1085. So let's go in and take a look at this villa. Okay, so here we are. We've made it in. And turn the lights on and threw the camera off. So we actually exchanged into a ocean view unit here at Oceana Palms using Interval International. And when we called them and talked to them on the phone for villa preferences, they called us literally 3 times, and we called them. We asked them if we could get an oceanfront because occupancy is only like 10%, and they said that they were not upgrading anybody. But it looks like we'll head out on the patio here in just a minute, but they told me at the front desk that we're in a 2-bedroom oceanfront unit. So let's take a quick look around. This unit is pretty magnificent. Look at that. We have a full dining room table, living room, nice big couch, couple chairs. Let's flip the camera around here so I can show you better. And I'm also going to do a full villa tour here as well. So when that is ready, you will see a link up here to that. So when I have that ready, I'll put a link up there. Let's turn the camera around and just take a quick look through here and see what it's like. All right, so there's the dining room table, the living room. There's out to the balcony there. We'll take a look there in a second. Full kitchen, granite countertops. That's pretty cool. Stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, you know, everything you'd expect in your standard Marriott timeshare. Here's the second bedroom. Wow, that's nice and big. Big television. Nice view out here to another hotel that's next door. Yeah, 2 nice big queen size beds there. And a nice large, we'll turn that on. There's me, hi. But yeah, they are now putting pool towels in the villas. They're not putting them down by the pool anymore. I guess they were doing that before. But with the current situation and not a lot of employees here, they're putting them in the villa. And I think in here, yep, they have a washer and dryer. That's pretty big. It's not high efficiency like I was expecting, but hey, it'll work for what we're needing. Let's go check out the master. There it is. It's got a full-size desk. That'll actually come in quite handy because we brought our computers with us too, so that's pretty cool. King-size bed, television, and a full bath, nice big shower, lots of towels, double sink. Yeah, and then this also leads out to the, oh no it doesn't, that's the, missing the toilet otherwise, there's the commode. So that's pretty impressive. Let's go jump out onto the balcony. Now, we were in one of these units a few years ago, well, 8 years ago now, and it was a corner unit like this, and it has a fantastic view of the Atlantic Ocean. Look at that. People are social distancing. Yay. And you can see the pools down below. There's actually 2 of them. There's one down here, and then there's another one kind of around there. They're going to be closing one of them. I believe this smaller one was supposed to be closed already for resurfacing, but they said it's going to be a few more days. So, but here is the balcony here at Oceana Palms. It's huge. Got 4 big chairs, large table, even a lounger. Look at that. Full-size lounger. And a couple more chairs here. This is the best part of these units here at Oceana Palms. And even the Ocean view units over here on the side, they have nice big balconies as well. So there you go, the view from these 2-bedroom ocean view units at Oceana Palms. Look at that. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick peek at the 2-bedroom oceanfront villa at Marriott's Oceana Palms. We'll be sure to give you a full look, full review, full tour in another video. But if you like this video, and if you like timeshare tips, villa tours, resort reviews, industry news, anything else timeshare related, be sure to subscribe down below. And also hit that thumbs up button, hit that notification bell, and until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.